You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this brand, grocery store company, supercenter chain in America, in the US mainly. Now, the name itself is of Eastern Europe or German Dutch origin, and there it's said as Meijer, which I think means major or the best. Now, in the US, the name of the stores is actually not pronounced as Meijer or Meijer, but rather Meijer stores or Meijer. So yes, I know it looks like it should be said Meijer, but no, Meijer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.